Hi everyone, my name is Michal Okoniewski. I'm the marketing manager here at Acceleware, and I'm currently at PTW where our e-house is getting finalized and ready to move up to Marwayne. Our Chief Scientific Officer, Michal Okoniewski, is actually inside and he has agreed to give us a little sneak peek tour. So, come on!
Oh, hi, Shana. Welcome to Electric House, e-house as we call it. We are just in finishing stages of putting everything together inside the e-house before we move it to the side. So yeah, I'll give you a little tour. So the first thing you see in the first glance here is our inverter. We're just about done with it. We're just installing some of the sensors on it, but everything else is ready to go. Here we have some of the control switching gears and programmable logic. As you move here, this big panel there, it's all the cooling system distribution and control. You see manifolds, but you also see a bunch of flow meters and everything else that allow us to control what's the temperature, what's the flow as we actually run this thing in the field. Moving forward, this is the rectifier system that we have that provides us with very, very high efficiency rectification and provides us with the appropriate voltage and current for our inverter system. A little bit more of switching gear, kind of standard stuff for e-house buildings. And here we have typical switching gear again, the main panel. It's look better from the other side. That's the kind of main supply of power to our system here. And then finally, additional programmable logic that controls some of the operations of the system.
Perfect!
There you go.